Honey, honey, come, 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 honey. And I can't apply it on my face. I'll have to leave it at this. Hi guys, I'm Surveen Chawla and today I'm going to share a recipe with you. It's a DIY scrub that I normally apply on my face. So I have some oatmeal that you can get from your breakfast quota, and there is some besan in here. There's a little bit of haldi, turmeric, and I have some honey. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. So you can actually just take a little bit of, not too much, but a little bit of oatmeal in a bowl and just sort of, you know, crunch it, make it a little more fine, and yeah, I think that much is enough. Yeah, and add a tad bit of besan to it. So what oatmeal does is that the granules obviously are going to scrub your skin and exfoliate your skin, and besan, as we all know, is great for skin, right from baby skin. Like I was told by my elders that I must apply chane ka aata, which is besan, on the baby skin. I didn't have the heart to do that, so I didn't do that because I have to scrub it. Pinch of haldi, we all know it's a great antiseptic, and some honey to give it the stickiness that it requires. Yeah. Honey, honey, come, 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 honey. Okay, done. I'm going to mix it, not with a spoon so much. I'm just going to initially mix it with a spoon. Yeah. And eventually use my fingers. That's the best thing to do. Actually, I do that even while doing my makeup. I use a lot of my fingers. The heat that generates and the energy that provides is unmatchable. So I'm just going to show you how it's going to be. It's just this much. That's all you need. Can you see? That's all that you need to apply on your face, and scrub it and exfoliate it, and get your skin looking nice and fresh and exfoliated, and obviously clean pores. That's most important, and this is going to get you that. So please try it out. Get to your kitchen and see whether you can find these things in your kitchen, and tell me in the comments below how you like it.